Okay, Amar. Now we understood what is ChatGPT and what is prompting. What are the rules in which I can actually use ChatGPT? Well, there can be any and every role you can use ChatGPT, but with reference to development and developer coming into picture, there are few rules which I'm more enthused about. Like for example, one of the most simple role you can use ChatGPT as a coding assistant. You can tell GPT what you want. You can tell GPT what to prepare and keep. You can tell GPT you just need a proper prompt. यानी कि suppose you have a drop down box या आपको इंडिया के स्टेट्स का जितने भी स्टेट्स है उसका एक लिस्ट चाहिए. आप सर्च करके बनाते बैठोगे, you are an idiot. It's a AI. Use prompts at your advantage. Speed. AI will increase your speed and productivity. How? Simple. Give a prompt. Act as a coder. अब यहाँ पे कोड करना कहाँ है, नहीं आएगा. Act as a Python coder. Generate list data structure or list of all the states in India as if 2024. Maybe थोड़ा आगे पीछे करना है तो you guys can do it. Give me a list prepared. आपको लिस्ट का नाम भी देना है तो you can say give name to list as states of India. Enter. And it can actually come across with this, and that is more interesting to play, that is more interesting to work. So you can use it as a code assistant, which is a very good thing. Another job which I personally use ChatGPT is for documentation. I'm terrible with documentation. This is thanks to my team who are excellent with documentation. You get all the documentation. I just, I'm not that good. So ChatGPT can be used. Suppose आपने एक program लिखा है and you want to generate document for that. It's a very simple process. Just copy the entire code if possible. Copy the entire. अब तो uploading option भी आ गया है. You can create a PDF. You can upload to ChatGPT and show that yes, this is the PDF I want you to go through, and then generate a document to this. ये भी आप कर सकते हो, mind you. So coming back, what you will say? Generate a help file for the current code which I have given. Or else, if you want commenting, so give a code and say write a proper comment on every line, making code more readable. So this is very much possible. Document writing is one of the plus point which ChatGPT can do. Not only that, but ChatGPT can even do more than this. ये तो पहले दो रूल है. Let's discuss next two rules. So second and third role would be your learning partner and your idea generator. This is more on a creative side. For a developer, this would always come across that you are either don't know, कुछ नया सीखना है यार, मुझे नहीं मालूम. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी मैंने पहले वीडियो में बात किया था रेगेक्स का. मुझे कुछ कमेंट्स आया कि सर रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन रेगेक्स क्या है, कुछ बोला नहीं आपने. So let's see, as a developer, I want to understand regex or regular expression, what to do. Because I don't know. Okay, you do not know. Well, it's a simple. Ask ChatGPT about it. I personally love the 80-20 rule which ChatGPT follows. 80-20 rule is 80% of work can be done with 20% of knowledge. Sir, ChatGPT knows this? Yes, it knows this. You can actually do it in a very simple manner. Just write a simple prompt. Act as, अब आपको क्या करवाना है, तो you want learning, तो tutor is the best option. Act as tutor of Python. Give me 80% of things, or rather, sorry, 20% of things which I should know in regular expression to do my project. Another way of saying, act as a Python tutor, generate complete tutorial on regex or regular expression. Remember, I am a new to coding and I know Python basic. To keep language and example as basic as possible and generate the entire document. Enter. Can do magic. Can really do magic. And you see what comes out. So you can actually use it as a learning partner. You can actually, not only that, उल्टा भी कर सकते हो. मैंने पढ़ के हो गया, but I want to test my knowledge. You can even use ChatGPT for this. Sir, how? Well, it's a simple process. You take a set of code, give it to, or rather, तुमने पढ़ा है regex हो गया, for example, पढ़ के. Simple. Tell, act as an examiner. I want to test my knowledge of regular expression in Python. Ask me 10 questions which I should know for regular expression. वो क्वेश्चन जनरेट करेगा, एंटर कर दो, क्वेश्चन जनरेट करेगा, ये क्वेश्चन लो, तुम्हारे आंसर्स लिखो. नाउ अगेन कीप द विंडो ओपन. These are my answer for this 5, 6, 10 question. Evaluate, enter. It will evaluate also, and that makes the difference. That makes the difference. You can actually work it out. Actually work it out. So that makes hell of a difference to work with. Be careful, and you can also do. Another thing is the idea generator. Suppose you are building an app and you don't know what can be the groundbreaking or something new, something unique, or you don't know. There are multiple ways you can do this. Number one, tell ChatGPT what you're building. Act as a project manager or act as a user of so and so type of application which I'm developing. Give me list of features which can be life changing or which can be very interesting for a user for so and so type of app. Create a list of this and give me and say enter and see the difference. So ChatGPT can actually make it very simple. It will, like you brainstorming, it will brainstorm and give a list of possible features which can. These are the 4 things which I use it for day and night, along with the prompts which I have said, along with the 10 prompts which we have worked with. So believe me, you can do wonders. You can do wonders with this. And the 4 rules are not only what I am using. You can do it for multiple roles, but again, these are 4 are the most basic rules which I want you guys to use ChatGPT. Hope people are clear.